My name is Nehmat Gereige, and I'm a product designer. I have been a product designer for 10 years now. And before doing that, I worked with a nonprofit for about 15 years in India and the United States. I've had exposure to so many different cultures and people. And through it all, my passion has always been people. So today, I'm proud to be an advocate for human beings in a world of business and technology. That is my main focus. I'm a lead product designer today in Cvent, design professor at Algonquin College. And my goal through it all and from this channel is to share with you my experience of design, the things that I have found useful throughout my career. And I'm hoping to save you all the trouble it took for me to learn all these things. So I hope you find my tutorials useful and that you resonate with my teaching method. Thank you for joining me.